Hi everyone, this is Waida Hassan. In today's video, we're going to learn how to design a PCB board using Proteus professional software. There are almost 9 main procedures or steps to follow. The PCB design procedures are gather the library parts, just capture the schematic, generate a netlist, construct the board outline, just set up the design rules and constraints, place the component, route the board, verify the design, and the last one is just to generate the CAM documents, the actual output of the design. Okay, now let us open the Proteus software. The first procedure was to gather the parts of the circuit component. So open the Schematic Capture. Under component mode, select all the required components. In this video, I'm going to design a PCB board for a 5V DC power supply. While you're selecting the components, make sure every single component has a PCB preview. The PCB preview indicates whether the device has a PCB footprint or not. So make sure there is a footprint for every device. Also, the PCB previews indicates the type of the device, either it's a through-hole device or surface mounting device. Surface mounting devices are indicated by red parts, while through-hole components are indicated by purple colored parts. As you see here, the color of the parts are purple, therefore the device is a through-hole. Some components have different sizes, so make sure you select the correct size in terms of dimension so that the component will fit on the board. So as you see, you can change the dimension of the capacitor as you wish. I've already drawn the schematic circuit, so let's copy it and paste it to the new window. So and then just make sure all the connections are made correctly so that to avoid the netlist errors. The next procedure is to construct board outline. To do that, just open the PCB layout, go to the 2D graphics. You can choose either box mode or cycle mode. It depends on the shape of the board you want, and then go down and choose a border edge. Then draw the outline on the workspace. From here you can drag the outline and change the dimension to the size that you think it's enough for the circuit. After drawing the outline, the next procedure is to set the design rules. So just go to the technology and click the design rule manager, or you can click it from here. Now just leave the design rule as default and go and change the net class rule. Since all the components were through-hole devices, so make sure vertical and horizontal layer are bottom copper, and change the trace style to T40 or T30. These are recommended for homemade PCBs. If you're going to use a machine to print the PCB, then just make the trace style as small as possible. Then click OK. The next procedure is to place the component. Here you need to be very careful. Make sure you place the components in a way that it will make the routing process easily. Make sure the green colored lines never cross each other too much. because that will bring so much difficulty. Sometimes you may encounter some DRC errors. Okay, so make sure the green colored lines never cross each other too much. Place all the components which are connected together close to one another. What I mean by that is that the connected parts, our component parts, should be closer to each other if there is such a possibility. So just don't make them too far away, being in opposite sides to one another. Place your component in a very clear way. So if the components are arranged in a correct way, the routing process will take a very short time and you will encounter no errors at all. Okay, to add some text on the board, just go to 2D graphics mode text or text mode, and then select top select layer and write whatever you want. Then just go and root the board. Go to the up router and just begin routing. As you see, nothing wrong at all. There is no any error encountered. To see the 3 model, just click 3D visualizer to see how the PCB model will look like. The last tab, let's output the design of the PCB. Just go to output and then just export graphics and go to export acrobatic PDF, and then from there just select all the required parts for the PCB 2D graphics. Just select only the bottom copper and the border edge, and for the components view, the top silk, just select top silk, Mac 1 and the border edge, and then export the file with different file names. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I think it will help you a lot when you want to do such kind of activity. Just comment down the video to see what I can do on the next tutorials. Just subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys, I appreciate your support.